Hello everyone, this is next in the series of image to diagnosis. Very interesting case scenario. This is a 30-week fetus gestation age referred as mass in the fetal anus. And this is the high resolution coronal scan of the fetal perineum and anus. You see a soft tissue mass protruding from the anus. So what is it? This particular case scenario I was reminded of when recently there was a WhatsApp post of a similar case, and if you like to, this case scenario is shown to highlight the importance of case reports, the final diagnosis, workup, follow-up of the case for the final diagnosis, and with the finding, with a particular finding on prenatal ultrasound to decide whether to intervene or not. If you would like to see the workup of this case scenario, please log on to sonoshare.in and go to image to diagnosis fetal medicine 42nd case in the series. Thank you for your patience.